Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today let's learn prepositions of place. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. This is a dog. Where is the dog? The dog is in the house. It's in the house. Where is the dog? The dog is on the house. It's on the house. Where is the dog? The dog is under the house. It's under the house. Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the house. It's in front of the house. Where is the dog? The dog is behind the house. It's behind the house. Where is the dog? The dog is next to the house. It's next to the house. Where is the dog? The dog is between houses. It's between houses. This is a cat. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. It's under the table. Where is the cat? The cat is under a chair. It's under a chair. Where is the cat? The cat is next to the dog. It's next to the dog. Where is the cat? The cat is in front of the table. It's in front of the table. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the house. It's behind the house. Where is the cat? The cat is between chairs. It's between chairs. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with me, click like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye for now.